Why do 90% of tech enthusiasts love unboxings? Because surprises are always exciting. So what's inside the box? First up, yes, the Redmi Note 13 does come with a 33W charger. No need to hunt for one separately. Alongside the charger, you'll find a USB Type-C cable, a SIM eject tool, and a protective case perfect for keeping your new gadget safe. And for a quick start, there's a guide and a warranty card. Now let's talk power. The Redmi Note 13 packs a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging. But if you want to go pro, the Redmi Note 13 Pro includes a 67W turbocharger. And for the ultimate boost, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G features a 120W hypercharger. So there you have it, the Redmi Note 13, all set to impress straight out of the box. Stay charged, stay connected, and stay ahead with Redmi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech unboxings and reviews.